Hello my babies, and welcome to episode number 2 of my new series where I show you guys my new workout routine. Today I'm going to be showing you all what I do for my push day, and let's dive right on into it, shall we? So the first exercise I start with is actually skull crushers. I know you're probably shocked that it's not the bench press, but I did some to my shoulder a long ass time ago. I should probably get it checked out, but still haven't yet, maybe one day. But anyways, benching usually messes with my shoulder. It makes it feel really weird, and I just don't really like to do it because of that. So instead we start with some good old-fashioned skull crushers, and I superset these with tricep pushdowns because they're a classic. You have to have them in your routine, right? The next thing I do are some chest flies on the cables. I like to do them unilaterally so I can really feel that muscle working, and that's just the way I prefer to do it. So yeah. And then I superset these. I do a lot of supersets on this day, I should mention. I superset these with some face pulls. Athlean X has entered the chat. Moving right along, the next thing I do is a neutral grip chest press. And then I superset these with a Svend press. This is one of my favorite chest exercises because I feel it so good in the chest. And then the next thing I do is this shoulder machine. I'm not gonna lie, I used to hate this machine, but it's slowly became one of my favorites over time. I just really like how much control I have with it. So yeah, some lateral raises, and I superset that with some rear delt flies, dumbbell rear delt flies. It's pretty important to me to make sure I hit the rear delts because that used to be a muscle that I neglected like crazy, as everybody does, right? And I know it's really good for helping with your posture, so that's why it's so important to me now to do them. So yeah, that's pretty much my entire push day. I know it's nothing too crazy, but I'm not gonna lie, this is my least favorite day. Mostly because, like I said, I just have some shoulder issues. So I know this was a quick little video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Maybe give this workout a try and let me know how you like it. I hope you do like it. And remember to give this video a like, comment below what other workouts you would like to see. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to join the Swole Squad. I will see you all on the next one. Have a good ass day.